1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Oh boy, taking the big boy route. Oh, yeah, we're breaking coming. Oh, that's an action one. Woo! Yeah, get some. Oh, boys and girls, we've done some damage. We're down a CV and we need to get out of here. Go back, eh? Unless you want to try the 3-wheel send.
I don't want to damage my inner housing.
Come on.
On the bank now. Time for another pull. Got the lifting sling, the shackle, the bow line in a trucker strap.
Unrated.
Hooked up to my snatchy on the patrol about 300 metres this way. So that didn't quite work. Now we're going to get the loader up here on higher, firmer ground. See if we can get her out. Straight up back there. Up on the bank now. Time for another pull. It's dinner time. We're still stuck. Got the work gear up there now. We're going to give her a tug after we've dug a fair bit out on the other side especially, and see how we go. Hopefully we can get Terry to work in this thing tomorrow. I might be able to drive out now. No, not up there. I might be able to drive through this though. I might be able to drive up that even. Hey buddy. Hello. Thanks for coming to get me.
That's alright. I should have brought the generator. It's a terrible idea. My battery's pretty flat and old man is flat.
I like your headlight,
Yeah,
your light bar.
This is my light bar.
I thought it was like an easy drive, an easy Sunday drive, and Tim was watching and peer pressure, and now we're bogged down at the door actually. Mirrors are pretty caked, and the other side's not too bad. Hey Timbo! Whoa, crap! It almost was above my boot. This wheel here, not even buried, man, because it hasn't been spinning. Look at the flex butt.
Terry's workmates are going to be so what's it called, jealous.
Yeah, Leon like tells her daily that they should swap cars.
Are you still out there?
Yeah, almost out. We just had dinner.
Okay, you haven't just mentioned that he's out. I thought he's got out.
No, almost. We're just about out now. Ash Moore's here with his 4Runner, so he's going to give us a tug.
Oh, okay, cool. No worries, all good.
Yeah, I just didn't want to get the work kit into the creek because it's got road tyres on it.
Yeah.
Phil brought his TD GQ in here because it was lacking power, or had no power after 2500 RPM. So we got stuck in and had a look at a few things. This is the beast. This airbox was restricting it. It's a standard pre-filter airbox, and it was just sucking this hose here completely shut.
So you know,
but it's nothing to hold it on to, because I can't hold that and hold this at the same time.
Because doesn't your window wind down?
What's that?
Because you can't hold it because your window doesn't wind down?
No, that's the window. My window doesn't wind down. This one winds down fine.
Oh, so you don't need a mount, you can just put it on the other side and hold it with your hand.
That's fine.
Out the window.
race tape this bit on here, and then that'll hold it.
Facebook famous yet or what? Put my Snapchat on there so I get all your biddies.
It's leaking. Where's it leaking from?
I don't know.
Whoa!
It's just that passenger side.
I almost got out in high range, like gunning it. But then it just dug real deep. And Josh got rained on.
You okay?
deep there. So close to the heart.
So glad I bought this and not the Pajero.
Thanks, bro.
That's right. The Pajero would have got.
As dirty as that?
No, not like that.
Not bad for the backyard, eh? That was deep. These holes will just swallow me if I walk through them. Boy, gonna fall down that one. Look at that. Not even in the deep one.
Doesn't matter, man. You could open your door and get out as long as.
Oh yeah, that's
If your car wasn't moving, then
that's
my car
gumbo
would just
deep.
stop.
That last pull that got me, you were backing up, and I was just about to. I had the door open, and I was going to get out and be like, "Oh, should we just try and see if my wheels are straight? Just hold it up for a sec." And then I just saw you gunning it, so I closed my door, put it in gear. Oh well, better go wash it off so Perry can drive to work tomorrow.
Oh, it's deep there.
So here we see a patrol in its natural habitat, bogged. I reckon you might need another tow before we don't get you out again.
You're just getting deeper.
You're literally that front left's just going down. So Reuben's just, you know, trying to do some more flexing. Well, I better not stand in there.
I'm actually just really keen to wash my car and have a shower, hey?
Said no real forward driver ever.
That's pretty deep. Alright, let's get snatched. Dug another hole.
I want to go to the edge but not drop over.
Yeah.
That snapshot's not far long enough.
Don't go too far. Whoop. Hang on,
Yeah, it's
hang on.
good. So what's this pin like?
Oh, he's in the front seat.
Safety last.
It was just like, shoot.
I started here and I moved almost a whole car length sideways when the strap hit.
But see, that's it. That's the drag, and then that's the bungee pulling
Oh
back.
yeah. Cannot see a thing. Yeah, not a whole lot. To the hose.
You're done for.
Oh no.
You okay?